It is getting on. So this is your standby screen. So this ventilator can be configured as adult pediatric or neonatal pediatric or adult pediatric neonatal. So this machine is configured with adult pediatric and neonatal for 3 kind of patients. And if you have a patient, you have just detached from the ventilator and you want to continue with the last patient, so it will save the last patient data, and you can directly start the ventilation with the last patient data. Or if you want to start a new patient, you can select the new patient. You can select the patient type. You can select the lung type, normal, COPD or ARDS. Means if you select the lung type, it will automatically adjust the ventilator parameters as per the lung condition, because with the ARDS lung, it required very low ventilation, whereas with the COPD lung, it sometimes required higher volume. So this we will discuss on a later video. So you can select the lung condition, and also you can put the body weight. So according to the patient body weight, it will automatically take the ventilation parameters. And from this standby window, you can also do pre-test. In pre-test, you can check all zero test, expiratory valve, expiratory flow test, air valve test, safety leak test, O2 sensor test, and we recommend that you should perform this test before putting to any patient, and this will ensure that the proper and accurate delivery of gases. So this we will discuss later how to do this test. And to start ventilation, you just have to select your patient type, your lung condition, body weight, and then you can start directly. Or if you wish to set some alarm parameters, alarm limits, you can do from here, or you can directly start the ventilation. Or you can select the modes from here also, in with which mode you want to start the ventilation. Suppose you want to start with volume control, or you want to start with pressure control, or any other ventilator you can start. So after confirming, it will allow you to adjust the parameters. See, suppose if you are like to start with VCV, we confirm, and it will allow you to start the parameters if you wish to change something, and then you can start ventilation directly. So before going to start the ventilator, I would like to show you the modes. So these machines have, as I said before, all the modern modes. So you can do BCV, SIMB VC, you can do the PCV, SIMB PC, APRB, Duovent, PRVC, SIMB PRVC, PSV, CPAP. Also it has a smart vent. With the smart vent, there is the clinician interventions required is very less, because with smart vent you can target any minute one ventilation, and according to the patient breath, according to the patient lung condition, it will adjust, it will try to reach to that minute ventilation. So this is smart vent. We will discuss smart vent on a later video. And also you can do BiPAP, BiPAP S, BiPAP ST, high flow. So this also we will discuss on later. And also if you select neonatal patient, then we will have the N-BiPAP, N-CPAP, which is called also bubble CPAP, and also the high flow. So with a single machine, you can do the high flow, you can do the bubble CPAP, and as well as you can do the ventilation. So now I'm starting the ventilation. So in this window, you will find that there is pressure time curve, there is flow time curve, there is volume time curve, as well as there is PV loop, there is FV loop, there is PF loop. So 3 loops and 3 curves are on screen, and also the monitoring parameters are also in on screen. So this is the monitoring parameters. So it is very important to have a good monitoring display, because whenever you are giving ventilation, it is very important what is patient taking, what is patient effort. You can monitor all the things in one screen. This is very this will help clinician to understand the patient condition. And also, if you want to go further monitoring, you can go to the monitoring section, and you can have a lots of parameters like compliance, static, dynamic compliance, resistance of inspiratory, RCXP, which is indicator of lung condition, RSBI, which is also indicator of weaning. We have work of breathing, and MV spontaneous. This we will discuss in later videos, the uses of this and how where it is very helpful, how we have to calculate all this. We will discuss on another video. So in monitoring window, you have access to all the monitoring parameters to understand the patient condition, and what are the very modern parameters like RCXP, like work of breathing, like MV spontaneous, frequency spontaneous, everything is there. So nothing you have to buy separately, all are inbuilt. And from this window you can also have the numeric trend. So the trend table is very attractive. Doctor can understand as per the time wise what was the patient condition, how the patient condition is deteriorating, or patient is getting good, or there's the alarm info. You can get the all alarm information, whatever the alarm was there, for which reason. You can get the all details from here, time to time. And also the graphical trend is there. You can find the graphical trend. You can go to the graphs and you can check the graphical trend from here. And then you can do the alarm settings also from here. If you wish to change any alarm at any point, you can change from here. This is your graph option. If you wish to, if you want that the all graphs and loops should not come to the display, you can switch it off on from here. Here is the access for you. And you can do the inspiratory hold, expiratory hold directly from here. Inspiratory hold and expiratory hold are very important, because with inspiratory hold and expiratory hold you can find the delta pressure, you can find the volume trapped, intrinsic PEEP. So these all we will discuss later, how to use inspiratory hold, expiratory hold, and how it is very helpful. And then this is your system. So from here you can do the calibration, system info, setup, everything. This we will discuss on later. And these are the hotkeys. With these hotkeys you can this is the button for screen lock. You can do the screen lock for the safety purpose, and you can unlock it by pressing for few seconds. And then you have direct nebulizer button. If you press this, you will have a window to select the time, and you can start the nebulizer directly from here. And then you are having O2. This means if you press this button, it will the FiO2 will come to 100%. It is required for the auto suctioning procedure, and in some cases we will discuss on later also the suctioning parameters and suctioning process. And then you can do fridge. So if you can fridge your screen, and then you have a mute button. If you want to mute the alarm, you can mute from here. So alarm will get mute for 2 minutes. You can set the time also in the settings later. And then this is your power on off button. And there is and it is very user friendly machine. Why? Because all the setting parameters, whatever you want to change or set in any mode, so these are on screen, and you just have to select, and then you can scroll it by this encoder, and by pressing this you can confirm it, or also you can confirm it from here by touch again. This is your rest settings. So the ventilator is very user friendly and very consist, because it is having all the modes, it is having all the maneuvers, whatever required. It is having all the monitor, because a ventilator should have good monitoring, should have maneuvers and modes. These must have a ventilator. So this ventilator is inbuilt with